Selenium for Beginners with Rex Jones II. Closed captioning is available for you. Switch CC on or off.
Let's demo the do while loop. Write two print statements. Sysout start do while loop. Sysout stop do while loop. Initialize the loop variable by writing int y equals 0. Next, write the keyword do, which begins the syntax. CTRL SPACE and select the do while statement. I'm going to add sysout y equals plus y within the brackets. Then y plus plus as the iteration so the loop can stop. The while condition is written after the loop's body. We want to execute the body while y is less than or equal to 20. The do while loop will execute the print statement at least one time before checking if the condition is true or false. If the condition is false, then the body executes one time. I'm going to make the condition false by changing the starting value from 0 to 100. Here's the breakdown. The do keyword starts the loop, executes the print statement by printing y equals 100. It's only supposed to execute while y is less than or equal to 20. So this statement will not execute anymore. Let's run. We see the do while loop start and execute y equals 100 one time before stopping. Change 100 back to 0, then run. Y starts at 0 and stops at 20. We set the value to 0. Started the loop by writing keyword do. Added a print statement for execution. Incremented the value by 1. Then checked for a condition while y is less than or equal to 20. That's it for the do while loop.
Online courses coming soon. Books available in paperback, ebook, and PDF. All Part 1 ebooks and PDF documents are free. Programming books for UFT. Programming books for Java. Here's the Selenium automation book. And TestNG. Subscribe to get notification of future videos. Don't forget to like, comment, and share.